Hello, all my friends. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, appreciation, and motivation to my channel. Thank you so much for sharing your love and your support to me. Friends, this time I had really taken a bad hit, but now I'm fully recovered. Thank you to all. All right, moving forward in this video, I'm doing a choose your deck reading. So I'll be giving you some time. So please, each and everyone, clear your mind, frame a valid question. Please do not think of vague questions. Have a proper question in your mind. Select a deck and choose your question. I'm going to give you some time. Please do that. You can go for the green, the white, this pink, orange, dragon, anything you can call this deck, this white and blue. Please choose your deck. Please have your questions in your mind, and I'll be giving you some guidance or some answers from the deck that you have chosen. Moving on, friends, please do very good care of yourself, your loved ones. Please stay safe. I really pray to God that everyone around the world be safe. All those who have been hit by this pandemic times, be it health, wealth, mental, physical, anything, may God bless each and everyone around us. All right, friends, keep your questions in your mind. I'll be taking a card, one from each deck, and then I'll be giving you the guidance for that chosen deck. For all the decks, I'll be taking out one card. Hopefully the answers resonate with you. Do follow proper medicines. Take good care of yourselves. All right, we have a jumper card for the white deck. Lovely. All right, moving on. Let's start with the white deck itself, the jumper card which we had. All right, the questions for what all the viewers who had chosen the white deck. Whatever you want to happen, whatever the question you had in your mind, it is going to happen, but it is going to take some time, emotional involvement with the person in question, or emotional involvement of yours with respect to the situation is not good. You really need to understand the gravity of the situation. Things are not working in your favor. There is emotional disturbance, there is mental disturbance. You have put in a lot of energy, you have put in a lot of yourself. You have devoted your time, you have devoted yourself fully for this situation, for this person, but you are not getting it back in the same reciprocated manner as you would have wished for. This is going to continue the same way. You really need to be patient in this, and things are not going to turn so fast in your favor, but have patience. Let the storm pass away. Things are going to calm down, the water is going to calm down, and the situation will be shown in a different light to you. You really need to understand this point, the situation from a different perspective. If you have somebody who's very close to you, who's your confidant, you can share this with them, with that person in your life, and maybe you'll get a new perspective. Maybe you'll get a fresher look to this situation, because this thing is not happening right now and things are not working in your favor. Moving on, let's see for the dragon card. All right, all those people who had chosen this card, viewers, things are not taking good turns because of some recent past, because of some recent karmic situation and equation which you have done in your past. Things are really not going to be so easy for you this time. whatever you did in your recent past, or with someone, or in a certain situation, you reacted in a manner in which you were not supposed to do that, my friend. This effect is going to be happening right now in your time. Along with that, saying said that you are a little sad in your heart, you are a little grief stricken in your heart, you really need to come out of it. Please do not over expect. Your over expectations are not going to give you the rewards which you are looking for. You have to wait, you have to understand, whatever energy you put into something, you cannot get back that same amount of energy, or it cannot be that much rewarding for you, whatever we wish for. You really have to wait along this time. Plus, do not trust anyone blindly. This time is not favorable for you. Things are very delicate, very fragile. Please do not please do not invest sentimentally into anyone. Please take care of your emotions. Do not trust anyone blindly. All right, moving on. The blue deck. Blue deck, all the people who have chosen the blue deck, very, very positive card, very beautiful card. Things are turning in your favor, my friend, and you can have a positive outlook to it, full of energy, vitality, whatever things you have been thinking of. If you have been thinking of starting your business, your own business ideas, your ventures, you can go ahead. It's a heads up. Please do it. All the things that you have been working on right now, this is the time. Jump up. Use this opportunity for your favor. This window is not going to open again. Use this time, use these things, use the resources available at your desk, and you will not believe yourself what outcomes they may give you. Do not wait for any more positive time forward. This is a very, very good time. Please get up and get to work. Next, we are moving to the green deck. Green deck, all the viewers who had chosen the green deck, answer is yes to your question. If you were expecting a yes or no answer, yes, you can get it done. If you have been thinking for companionship, for partnerships, beautiful time ahead. There's a very, very wise male person in your life from whom you can take the desired advices, who's excellent in giving guidance, and this person is also available for you. This person is the go-to person. You can really approach this person for all your questions. You will get answers, be it related to any field of your life. This person will help you out. Along with that, if you are lacking your motivation, this person can also provide you with the required motivation, required support, required help in all the areas of your life. Please use them. Please take his advice. Use his expertise in all the areas, as you may be able to win lots and lots of endeavors in your stride. This person is there for you. Please go and take guidance from him. Along with that, if you are a female, so you really need to be self-motivated, increase little yang energy in yourself, because you are capable of doing things. The only thing that you are lacking is a lack of yang energy. Increase it, motivate yourself, and get back on it. All right. So this is it, my friends. Thank you so much for selecting the decks and having your questions. Hope the answers resonates with you. Along with that, if you have any other topics on which you would like to have readings done, on which you would like to have some insights provided to you through my videos, do write in the comment sections below. Do reach out to me. I'm also open to one-to-one reading. If you want to reach out to me, all the information is provided in the description box below. Do reach out to me. I'll be happy to hear from you. And thank you all, and stay strong and be available for one and all. Please do communicate with each and everyone around you. This is the time we need to be there for one another. Thank you, and God bless, and stay safe.